make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'll surrender.
Hi everyone, I hope you are well and having a really lovely Easter Sunday. Happy Easter if you celebrate it. If not, then happy Sunday. It's Sunday, I'm filming this video. It is currently 4 o'clock and I have to get this up for 6:30, so wish me luck. I basically filmed this video yesterday and it was all out of focus, so we're doing it again. For today's video, I thought I would react to the entire LUSH Easter range. Now, I know what you're thinking. This came out ages ago, Melody. Why is it taking you so long to do it? And I'm not gonna lie to you, I completely forgot about the Easter range. I haven't seen any of it really. I think I've seen maybe 1 product, 2 products, but I have no idea what they smell like. I've not looked on the website whatsoever, so I thought I would do my kind of regular reacting to the entire range. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and carry on watching. Sometimes when I do these videos I feel like I might miss a few products. I am just going off of the website, so I've literally got the Easter selection on my screen and I'm going to be going through it that way. So if I miss anything I do apologise, but I'm just doing it via the website. As per normal, I have scooched myself to one side so I can insert photos. So let's begin with the first item. The first thing I can see on the website is the Golden Egg Bath Melt. Now this product has been out for many a year now. I've had so many of these. It smells really good. It's very caramelly and creamy and sweet. So if you don't like sweet toffee caramel scents, you will not like this one. And if you don't like glitter, you will hate this one because you are going to get covered head to toe in gold glitter, and I'm not even joking you when I say you will get covered. It's so fine that it just goes absolutely everywhere. So if you don't like glitter, don't get this one. However, it is really, really nice. It's a bath melt, so the whole of the outside is basically like oils and butters, and the inside there is a bath bomb. So yeah, it is really lovely, but if you don't like glitter then I highly suggest you stay well away from it. The Golden Egg is also $5.95, so it's not overly cheap, but it's kind of your standard price for bath bombs nowadays, so yeah. Next up we have the Cream Egg Bubble Rune. This has a layer of oils and butters, so it makes your skin so soft, and this one is £4.95. In terms of ingredients, it has spearmint and shea butter. Apparently it's supposed to smell like mint chocolate, so if you've tried this let me know. I did have it last year but I can't quite remember on what it smelled like, but I think it was very minty and very fresh, so if you like those sorts of smells you should really enjoy this one. The only thing about this one that I don't really like by looking at it is it is yellow, which means your bath water is gonna go yellow, which isn't the nicest colour, I'm not gonna lie to you. Personally I'm more into the blues and the purples and the pinks in the bath, but if you like yellow then you'll really enjoy it, but yeah, it just doesn't look that appealing in my opinion. The next bath bomb is the Dinosaur Bombshell Egg. That's really hard to say. Dinosaur Bombshell Egg, and this one is £8.95. Now this one is a lot bigger, so you can use it within 2 to 3 baths, and inside it actually has a dinosaur which is made from fun, I believe, and you can obviously use that to wash with, wash your hair with, crumble under the water, make bubbles. It is really multi-purpose, so it's just something a little bit extra, and it might be a nice alternative to a chocolate egg, so it's just a good option I think, and it's something really different. This bath bomb is full of grapefruit and bergamot, so I believe it's going to be really fruity, really zesty, and it's going to be really fresh as well. So if you like the fresh scents, I think this is probably going to be a really good one for you. And again, it's just something different. I like the fact that you can use it in multiple baths. I mean, you could use it in one bath if you really wanted to, but it would just be a bit of a waste, I think, so it's definitely more worth the money in my opinion. The next item is the soap, and this year they came out with the Avo Good Easter soap. This product is £8, however you do get 2 pieces. You get one with the sort of stone in the middle and one without, and it's supposed to look like an avocado, so you definitely could share this with somebody if you didn't want the whole thing. So you could spend £4 instead of £8. It's definitely something to think about if you want to sort of save money, but it does look like a really good size product. If I'm looking down, by the way, it's because I'm looking at the website on the screen, but yeah, it does look like a really good size product again, so if you do want to share it, it's definitely an option. This soap has avocado oil, bergamot oil and rapeseed oil and coconut oil and all the oils that you could possibly imagine in this soap, so it's going to be so moisturising. Obviously it's got avocado in it because I feel like they'd be silly not to put avocado in it, but yeah, it does look really, really nice. And again, if you've tried this, let me know, but it does look like something really different and definitely something you could share if you wanted to, like I said. The next item is a bubble bar, and this is the Lucky Carrot Bubble Bar, which is £4.95. We used to have bubble bars very similar to this, which was called the Bunch of Carrots. Let me know if you guys remember that one. It was a really lovely product. You got 3 carrots in a bunch for about £5, £6, something like that, and you'd run them under the tap. They were reusable, so I'd probably get about 9 baths in total out of this item. However, they seem to just make it into 1 carrot this time, and I don't know how I feel about it. I feel like you're definitely getting less product for pretty much the same amount of money. I would imagine it smells very similar because it's got lemon and tangerine oil in it, so it is going to be really fresh and really fruity, and I like the fact they've changed the stalk of it to be actually a part of the bubble bar and not just the pieces of string that it used to be. However, I still just feel like you're getting less product and it's just not as exciting. I liked the fact that they had the orange, pink and purple kind of bubble bars like in a bunch. It just looked really cute. So yeah, I don't know. Let me know your opinions on that below, but I just think that the old one was better. That's just my opinion. The next item is a bath bomb, and this is the Magic Rabbit Bath Bomb, and this one is £4.95. On the website it does look very purple in the water as it's moving about. It's got kind of a pink and purple centre. However, from the photo and from what I've seen on Instagram and things like that, it does look very black. I did just have a little look on Instagram just to see if I could find any photos, and it does look black as opposed to purple. However, I don't know if that's just the photos or what, I don't know, but do let me know down below if you've had that before. I just feel a bit iffy about using a black bath bomb simply because I just get worried that the bath is going to get stained black. So let me know if you guys have used it below and let me know your thoughts on that. But yeah, that's kind of my opinion on the colour. This one includes things like popping candy, Divana oil, lemon myrtle oil and tonka. So it's going to be really strong and fruity. The Divana oil has a very strong fruity scent, so I think that is going to overpower like the other fragrances, if that makes sense. So I just think this is going to be a very fruity bath bomb. I'm just very unsure about the colour. I don't know how I feel about it. And last but definitely not least, is probably one of my favourite items from this collection from what I've seen, and this is the Sunny Side Up Shower Jelly. Now this just straight up looks like an egg and I love it so much. It's so cool and different. It's £5, so it is kind of a standard sort of price for shower jellies. However, looking on the website and looking at the photo of it, it does look really small. I don't know if it is or not, I don't know if it's just the photo, but it looks like it's probably about that sort of size. Like, it just looks absolutely tiny, so I don't know if that's just me or what, I'm not sure. But in terms of fragrance for it, this one has Brazilian orange oil, vetiver oil and coconut infusion and pineapple juice, so I imagine again it's going to be really fruity. That's kind of a running theme for all the products. I think it's just a very fruity collection. I imagine they do that because it is April, it's nearly spring, sort of summertime, so they're probably bringing out more fruity fragrances as opposed to kind of the spicier ones. I don't know, but it just looks really cute. It does look nice, and it is something I probably would buy myself, but I don't know how big it is, so it's really hard to kind of judge it. But yeah, let me know if you guys have tried that one. So apart from all of the gifts, I believe that is everything from the Easter range for 2020. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below if you've tried any of these products and what your thought is on them or anything like that. Do let me know, and don't forget to subscribe because it makes me so happy. And yeah, I hope you guys are having a really good Easter Sunday, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye guys!